This is my new YouTube channel where I learn Luganda. I teach Luganda every day. I teach Luganda every time. So now, let's learn how to greet in the afternoon in Luganda. How to greet in the afternoon in Luganda. But before I proceed, if you're new here to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button so that we can proceed or move together wherever I upload my new video, so that you don't miss any video I put out always. Today we are going to look at how to greet in the afternoon in Luganda. So I told you how to greet in the morning. You can go and check out how to greet in the morning in my previous videos. So now today let's look at how to greet in the afternoon. In the afternoon we say Osibye otia. Osibye otia. That is good afternoon. Osibye otia. Good afternoon. So that applies to any sex, male or female. Osibye otia. It is a general way of greeting, and when you are greeting one person. When you are greeting more than one person, male or female or combined, you say Musibye mutia. Musibye mutia. Remember, when they are one, when he or she is one, you say Osibye otia. When they are many, you say Musibye mutia. Okay? So, that is how we greet in the afternoon. Musibye mutia. When you're greeting a man, you say Osibye otia sebo. Sa. Osibye otia sebo. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, madam. Osibye otia nyabo. Even in the evening, that's how we greet in the evening. You say Osibye otia. Osibye otia sebo. That is for a man. Osibye otia nyabo. That is for a woman. When there are many, good in the afternoon and in the evening, first say they are men. You say Musibye mutia basebo. Musibye mutia basebo. When they are men. Ladies, you say Musibye mutia banyabo. Musibye mutia banyabo. I hope now you see how it is. It is simple, because Luganda is very simple. You just say the word, you feel it. I mean, you asking how that person have been spending the day. How have you spent your day? Osibye otia, so that he can tell you, I've been facing these problems, I've been good, I've been one and one. So literally you say Osibye otia to ask that person, like, how was the day? Okay? That's how we greet in Luganda. So, my name is KABUGO Peter. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question concerning Luganda, any question about Luganda, be it anything, as long as it is all about Luganda, please and please put that question in the comment below. You can reach me on my contact. It is in the description down there, so that you can communicate to me, and I can even teach you via WhatsApp if you feel like you want. You can reach me on WhatsApp and I can teach you. But please and please subscribe and put your question in the comment below. My name is KABUGO Peter. Ciao, ciao.